Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, amma ba'd. I really have a quick question for all of my brothers and sisters. How are you spending this holy month of Ramadan? Are you really making this month of Ramadan as a life-changing event for you? Or you are just spending it in a way in which you are staying hungry and thirsty from morning till Maghrib time? It all depends upon you. I really ask you a question. You are gonna answer it to yourself simply and honestly. How much time you spend daily on social media in the holy month of Ramadan? How much time you are spending while sleeping? And really, how much time you are gonna spending on shopping and cooking? And after all of this, just ask yourself, is it all really worth it? Yes or no? Because most of the time we are wasting most of our time, like 70%, 80% of our time we are spending it in cooking, in eating, in going to the market. If not, we are spending our time on social media, on Facebook, on YouTube. TikTok is also another thing. So we are wasting a lot of our time in the holy month of Ramadan. Yet this is very few people get it. And a lot of people who were alive last year in the last Ramadan, they are no longer alive today. So I really ask you a question, why are you wasting your time in this Ramadan? And I really want to ask you, why you are not increasing yourself in ibadah, why you are not increasing yourself in prayers and all of this. And if you are doing so, you can still improve it. There's always a chance of improvement. If you are reciting one juz daily, go ahead, try to make it 1.5 juz daily. If you are doing it already, then try to go for the 2 juz daily. And try to push yourself in this month more and more as much as you can. Most of the educational institutes are closed already because of corona and all of this stuff. And I see most of my brothers and sisters, they spend a lot of their time online, spending on Facebook, social media, etc., which is totally a waste of time, my brothers and sisters. So I really request you, from the depth of my heart, try your best to recite Quran a lot. Make competition, within your friends and within your family. Okay, let's see who will recite more and more Quran this Ramadan. Let's see who will recite more and more salawat this Ramadan. And check up on each other every day. And inshallah ta'ala, this Ramadan will be a game changer for you. And inshallah, if your Ramadan will be like this, then inshallah, this will affect all of your year from start till finish, inshallah ta'ala. And if you will continue this, because you spent 30 days constantly in ibadah, in salawat, in reciting Quran a lot, this will be very easy for you to continue like this in the month of Shawwal. And you can you can't fast all the month of Shawwal, but you can continue reciting Quran. You can continue fasting, like fasting 2 or 3 days every week, and this way you can continue this. The result of this holy month will be till the next Ramadan, inshallah. So I really request you to please focus at yourself, detoxify yourself from all the social media, stay away from it, stay away from your cell phone, focus on ibadah, focus on salawat, and focus on yourself, focus on your heart. Inshallah ta'ala, I really hope my words will be very beneficial for you. And inshallah ta'ala, I really wish that Allah Almighty help us in improving ourselves in deen and make us a good Muslim. So until next video, remember me as your brother in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.